Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I get this blue and gold makeup look tutorial done right here. Since I've got a dark blue outfit on today, I went in with this color theme, but you can definitely switch around with the colors according to your outfit. But if you would like to see how I get this makeup look right here done, then please keep on watching. Alright, first up, I'm moisturizing my skin with this Lakme Peach Milk Gel Moisturizer. It's a new product that I'm trying out, and I must say that it really does make my skin really plump and moisturized. So yeah, so right now I'm just dotting this all over my face and massaging it in my skin. Then I'm gonna go in with this Aroma Magic Under Eye Cream. I love doing this step as this step actually primes my under eyes for the concealer to sit on perfectly. So my under eyes are not dry. As you can see, I'm quite gentle with applying the product under my eyes as the skin underneath our eyes is really sensitive and thin. So yeah, I'm just patting it in and I'm also dragging it towards my brow. Once this is done, this is going to be the perfect base for my concealer. Here, I'm just priming my skin with the Blue Heaven Oil Free Flawless Primer, and I'm going to put this on all the usual areas where I tend to get oily, and this is going to help the foundation to glide on smoother and also last longer. So now I'm going in with the LA Pro Conceal Color Corrector. This is the orange color corrector. So I'm basically just going to be applying this under my eyes. Wherever I have a little bit darkness, I'm just going to color correct my skin right now. And now that my corrector is placed down, I'm just going to use my Damn Beauty Blender and just blend it slightly. So for foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay Foundation, and I am using a Damn Beauty Blender to blend it all over my skin. This is my favorite way of blending my foundation as it's pretty effortless and it gives a nice natural finish as well. Also, the shade that I'm using here is called as Sun Peach. Now that the foundation is blended nicely, I'm gonna lock my foundation in place, and for this I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit of it on my face and I'm gonna push it in with my Damn Beauty Blender. So now for concealer, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. As you can see, I'm applying this concealer underneath my eyes. I'm just going to be applying a slight layer of it on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, also under my contour, and I'm going to blend all of that in with the Damn Beauty Blender. And then I'm also taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm gonna slightly highlight my under eyes. So this is basically just gonna act as a highlight since it's a lighter shade of concealer. So I'm highlighting my forehead, the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, the cupid's bow, chin, and also underneath my contour lines. And just blending all of that in with a nice Damn Beauty Blender. Alright, now that everything's blended, I'm taking the Blue Heaven Translucent Setting Powder and I'm gonna be setting all the areas where I applied the concealer. I think applying powder with a damp beauty blender is one of the best way you can lock your concealer and set it in place. Alright, now that I'm done setting my concealer in place, I moved on to my eyebrows and I did that off screen. Over here, I'm applying a light shade of concealer and priming my eyelids and making sure that I have a nice even layer. Also, I'm setting that in with some translucent setting powder. You can use any kind of powder, to be honest. Alright, now moving on to eyes, I'm using this Miss Claire brown eyeshadow and I'm using this fluffy blending brush from Amazon and I'm just going to be applying this all over my crease. Slowly but gradually building up the color in the crease. Alright, now that I'm happy with my crease, I'm going in with this Miss Claire navy blue shimmer shade and I'm gonna apply that with a pencil brush and I'm only gonna be applying it to my outer corners. I'm also going in for a more feline shape, so I'm trying to wing it out and make it into a nice feline cat eye shape. And as you can see, I've laid down some tape so that it helps me in achieving that shape even more. Also blending this color into my crease shade so that it looks even more flattering. Alright, now moving on to the next shade, I'm going in with this Miss Claire gold eyeshadow and I'm gonna be applying this with my fingers because I felt like, the color payoff was way much more better with applying it with my fingers. So I'm just gonna apply this to my lids. Now I'm using a brush to get into the areas I couldn't. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going in with that same navy blue shade and I'm just dragging it all the way into the middle of my eye. Now that I've got the eyeshadow placed down, I'm moving on to eyeliner and for eyeliner, I'm using the Blue Heaven Blue Kajal and I'm just gonna line my waterline with this blue eyeliner. I actually do like this kajal. It's a really nicely pigmented blue kajal. Alright, now that I've lined my eyes, I'm going in with that same gold eyeshadow shade and I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners. Now to open up my eyes even more, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. And I'm going in with the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. It's a waterproof mascara and I'm just gonna nicely coat my eyelashes with it. I'm a huge fan of Maybelline mascaras. You can't actually go wrong with them. I'm also gonna be coating my lower lashes with the same mascara. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm just going to go in back with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm just going to clean my eyes, like I'm going to crispen up the wing so it looks more sharp. And once again, blending all of that away with the damp beauty blender. Now I'm going ahead and contouring the usual parts of my face. And once again blending all of those harsh lines with my damp beauty blender. Alright, now to set my contour, I'm going in with these two products right here. One is the Purple Compact Powder and the other one is the iTex Dazzler Contour Powder, and I'm just setting all the areas I've just contoured my face with. For my blush, I'm going in with the Maybelline Cheeky Glow Blush in Fresh Coral and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Using this Instant Glow Shimmer Brick, I'm highlighting the highest points of my face. Also using a fan brush to apply the highlighter. Alright, now once again I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray and just spraying it all over my face. And once again I'm going in with my damp beauty blender to lock it in. Now just to make my highlight pop even more, I'll be going in again with that highlighter shade. Once again highlighting the highest points of my face. Now moving on to the lips. For the lips I'm using the M&N True Lips Lip Liner. And as always I'm gonna line and fill in my lips with it. So what this does is that this will help in making your lipstick last longer. I actually am going in with a nude lip since I feel like the eyes are pretty dramatic enough. Now to bring some warmth back to my lips, I'm going to go in with this chocolate brown lip liner and I'm just going to line the outer corners of my lips. Now I'm going over the lip liner with this In Color liquid lipstick. It's a very beautiful nude pink and I'm just slightly dabbing it on the center of my lips. Once again, to bring back the warmth in my lips, I'm going in with this brownish maroon lipstick and I'm just gonna be applying it to the outer corners of my lips and blending it with my finger. Now going in with my Swiss Beauty transparent lip gloss, and I must say I really love this lip combo. The lips are looking really nice, nude and very pretty. I like my lips really glossy, so I'm putting gloss all over my lips, but if you just want a little bit of gloss, you can just add it to the center of your lips. Now once again, I'm setting all of it in with my L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. And now for the last step, I'm just gonna apply a pair of falsies, and these just complete the entire look. And this, you guys, is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved creating this dramatic blue and gold makeup look. So yeah, I guess that's all for now. And yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.